Hello, I am Maria Rothy, a mortgage loan originator with Notre Federal Credit Union. I've been helping families for the last 8 years become homeowners. Today, I want to share with you some interesting information you might want to know when discussing an FHA loan versus a conventional loan for your mortgage. One of the most common questions I get, should I go with FHA or conventional? And the truth is, neither one is better. It just depends on your numbers and your goals. Let's start with FHA loans. FHA is popular because they're designed to be more flexible. They can be a great option if you're earlier in the homeownership journey or if your financial profile isn't perfect cookie cutter. Some benefits to an FHA loan: lower down payment options, consideration for lower credit scores, and in many cases, allows for higher debt to income ratios. But FHA isn't perfect for everyone. Let's talk about the cons. Upfront mortgage insurance is part of your closing costs and can be rolled into the loan. Monthly mortgage insurance premiums typically last the life of the loan. FHA is only for purchasing or refinancing your primary home, not an option for vacation or investment properties. Here's the biggest myth I hear all the time. FHA loans are only for first-time home buyers, and that's actually not true. You can use FHA if you've owned a home before. Now let's talk about conventional loans. They are great for those buyers who want to be a little more competitive in today's market and potentially lower monthly costs over time. Benefits for conventional: generally lower closing costs because there's no upfront mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance can be removed once certain conditions are met. 20% equity is acquired. You can finance up to 10 properties, which typically speaking is investment properties or vacation homes. Here are the cons. Credit and income could be reviewed more closely. You could be asked for more documentation. Seller concession is limited to less. Maximum is 3%, unless the down payment is over 10%. Another myth I specifically hear about conventional loans are you need 20% down to go conventional, and that's simply not true. It doesn't matter if you're a first-time home buyer or buying your step-up house. There are options available with much less down depending on your overall application. So the real question is, should I consider FHA versus conventional? This is where I come in. Let's run the numbers together and see what best fits your goals. I'm Maria Rothy with Notre Federal Credit Union, your mortgage matchmaker, because everyone deserves a home.